Ready for dictation? 3, 2, 1, ready. The multifaceted civilization, culture, knowledge systems, science, and literature of our country. All of you can get prepared good study material about such places in your respective states. You can also give necessary directions for the development of tourist facilities at such places. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, was in favor of scientific and technical education. He believed that experts should be connected with the common people and the Indian languages. Many of his important thoughts on education plan are reflected in this education policy. Bapu had said, "Under my scheme, there will be more and better libraries, more and better laboratories, more and better research institutes. Under it, we should have an army of chemists, engineers, and other experts who will be real servants of the nation and answer the varied and growing requirements of a people who are becoming increasingly conscious of their rights and wants. And all these experts will speak not a foreign language but the language of the people. The knowledge gained by them will be the common property of the people. There will be truly original work instead of mere imitation." Drawing inspiration from ancient universities like Takshila, Nalanda, Vallabhi, and Vikramshila, it has been recommended to establish large and multidisciplinary universities and higher education institutions or clusters. Multidisciplinary education and research universities, that is MERU, will be set up with the aim of achieving world-class quality education. This will enable the development of qualified, versatile, and creative youth in every part of the country. Such efforts will increase the number of international students in India. India will emerge as a global study destination where excellent education will be available at affordable cost. High-performing Indian universities will be encouraged to set up campuses in other countries. Also, the world's top universities will be allowed to come to India and impart education. It is targeted to set up at least one large multidisciplinary higher education institution in or around each district by 2030 to provide higher education in underserved regions. For this, several steps will have to be taken at the state level. Good higher education institutions are to be set up in aspirational districts and special education zones. This will be an important step in the interest of socially and economically disadvantaged groups. An effort will be made to make education accessible to all by leveraging technology for online and digital education. Stop. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.